The oceans are changing, navigation is changing, warfare is changing, and now China claims it has built something that could rewrite the entire balance of power beneath the waves. A machine that flies for 40 hours, hunts silently, analyzes underwater noise with onboard intelligence, and even fires torpedoes without a pilot. This is the Winglong X, and if the claims are real, this drone marks one of the most significant leaps in maritime surveillance ever attempted. But its story is more complicated than an upgrade and more strategic than a simple drone reveal. Because the Winglong X is not just a new UAV, it represents a future where autonomous systems compete with the stealth of submarines, the most shadowed weapons on Earth. To understand how we arrived here, we need to look back at the problem militaries have been trying to solve for decades. Submarines are ghosts. They hide in thermal layers, distort sonar with decoys, and travel silently for thousands of miles. Tracking them requires massive aircraft like the American P-8 Poseidon with large crews and specialized equipment. These missions are long, expensive, and physically demanding. A drone can solve all of that. No fatigue, no limits on endurance, no hesitation. This is where the Winglong X enters the picture. On the surface, it looks like its predecessors, but underneath it is built for a mission most nations have never entrusted to a drone. With a wingspan roughly equal to a small private jet and a ceiling of 10,000 meters, it can remain motionless above a strategic choke point for nearly 2 straight days. In submarine hunting, time is everything. What makes it controversial is not the endurance, but the autonomy. Traditional anti-submarine missions rely on human operators dropping sonobuoys, listening for targets, comparing acoustic profiles, and issuing firing orders. China claims its drone can do all of that independently. It can release underwater sensors, analyze their acoustic signatures, classify potential submarines, and deploy lightweight torpedoes without direct human control. If these claims hold up, it would be the first drone in the world to complete the entire kill chain. This is where the shock begins. Stealth submarines are designed around avoiding detection, not avoiding an AI-powered surveillance grid with dozens of drones flying synchronized patterns. A network like that could saturate the South China Sea with continuous acoustic monitoring, reducing the safe zones where enemy submarines can hide. If this technology works, the implications for US and allied submarines are significant. These drones are cheaper than manned aircraft, easy to mass produce, and expendable in combat. Destroying them is possible, but losing one does not matter when 50 more can take its place. And for China, this fits perfectly into its strategy of creating denial zones where foreign submarines cannot approach without being detected. Still, the reality behind the headlines requires caution. Anti-submarine warfare is notorious for false alarms. Marine life, surface ships, and background noise constantly confuse even the most advanced systems. Human operators study this for years. For an autonomous drone to reliably separate real submarines from the ocean's natural noise would require groundbreaking pattern recognition. If China has achieved even part of that, it would be a major accomplishment. But without open verification, the world is left to interpret signals from demonstrations and statements. Critics believe the Winglong X might be a prototype or an early development platform. China has a history of showcasing future concepts before they reach true capability. Yet even if this drone is not fully functional today, its existence signals China's intent. They are pushing to remove the human bottleneck from long-range naval surveillance and want machines to dominate maritime detection. In the near future, autonomous drones will likely support manned aircraft rather than replace them. They can deploy sonobuoys, expand sensor coverage, act as persistent scouts, and provide real-time tracking while humans make the final decision. Whether China's version can truly fire torpedoes independently is still unconfirmed, but the direction is clear. The era of autonomous anti-submarine warfare has officially begun. The balance of power in the Pacific may soon depend on which nation can combine endurance, autonomy, and precision into a single reliable platform. If you want to track how this new race unfolds and understand the technologies shaping the future of defense, science, and global strategy, Make sure you stay with Dazen, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us keep uncovering the innovations transforming power, technology, and the world we live in.